Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to explain you, we can say that give you the revision of the histogram when unequal class intervals are given. Suppose this is a question. Marks are given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 60. We can see that here 10, 10, 10 difference, and in 30 to 60 we are having the difference of 30. From 60 to 80 we are having the difference of 20. Then again 10 and 10. So how to make a histogram when unequal class intervals are given? For this, first we should know how to calculate adjustment factor. So first I'll write the marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. And frequencies are 5, 10, 4, 18, 4, 3 and 9. To find out adjustment factor, what we have to do is we have to apply the formula of adjustment factor. How do we find the adjustment factor? Its formula is we divide the width of a class with the width of the smallest class, width of the lowest one, lowest class interval. Lowest means we can see that कितना difference हो रखा है. सबसे कम वाला कितना है 10. तो that means जिस भी class का हम लोग adjustment factor निकालेंगे we have to divide it with 10. So here the class interval is 10. 10 we have to divide it by 10. 1. Again 10 divided by 10. 1. Again 10 divided by 10. 1. Here difference is 30. 30 divided by 10. 3. Here difference is 20. 20 divided by 10. 2. Here difference is 10. Again 10 divided by 10 is 1 and 10 divided by 10 is 1. Now we'll find adjusted frequency. While making histogram, we need this frequency to be plotted in the histogram. We will not use the frequency given in the question. We have to first adjust the frequency according to the class intervals. So, how to find the adjusted frequency? Formula is the frequency of the corresponding class interval divided by the adjustment factor, which we have already calculated by using this formula. So adjusted frequency is 5, divided by 1 is 5, then 10 divided by 1 is 10, 4 divided by 1 is 4, then 18 divided by 3 is 6, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 3 divided by 1 is 3, and 9 divided by 1 is 9. So this is how we found the adjusted frequency. Now we shall start the plotting of the adjusted frequencies in the histogram. For this, first we'll make y-axis and x-axis. Here we'll take number of students, F. Origin. Here we'll take marks, that means class intervals. So marks are 10, 20 we can write. Here we can take 1 centimeter of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and then 100. On y-axis, we'll take the adjusted frequencies. We can see that the frequencies are not more than 10. So we can take the scale as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You have to keep in mind that this scale should be equal, right? So let us start making the histogram. First is 0 to 10. 0 to 10 adjusted frequencies is 5. So 0 to 10 adjusted frequency is 5. We'll write here 5. Then 10 to 20 is 10. We'll make a rectangle here. 10 to 20 up to 20. We'll make a rectangle here up to 20. This is 10. Then next is 20 to 30 is 4. We'll make a rectangle here up to 20 to 30, it is 4. Then it is 30 to 60. So we have to take from 30 to 60. What is it? 6. So we'll take up to 6. Now the width of this rectangle will be more because it is covering 3 scales of class intervals. That means 10, 10, 10. So it is 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18. So we have divided into 3 equal parts. Then 60 to 80. 60 to 80 we are having 2. So we'll take it 2. 90 to 80 to 90 we are having 3. We'll take here 3. And 90 to 100 we are having 9. So we'll take the scale up to 9. We'll write here 3. Then we'll take the scale up to 9 with a scale and straight line. Okay, your line should be very straight using scale 9. And the thing, this is how we make the histogram. Histogram is complete, but the thing which is left is scale. It is very must to write. On y-axis we have taken 1 centimeter is equals to 1 student, and on x-axis we have taken 1 centimeter is equals to 10 marks. So this is how we make the histogram when unequal class intervals are given. Please watch my previous video regarding the histogram, in which I have already explained it, and this is the revision. One new question I have explained it here, so it will become very easy for you to understand. All the best. God bless you all.